In this video, we are going to see how to make videos like this, documentary long form story channels. Let's see an example. This channel Extreme Survival Stories, which is posted almost 85 videos and got 26k subscribers with 85 video, and it's got good enough views. So let's see what kind of stories they are posting. You can see this is mostly survival kind of stories where man vs nature or disaster stories. Let me open one story and see how it is format.
A clear morning, a small airport, and a simple idea. Three friends would take a sightseeing flight over the mountains, enjoy the last hours of a vacation, and be back in time for lunch. There was nothing in the scene, and Tommy wanted to end the trip. Looking at the little Cessna, he was excited.
So you can see they are using images. I think they're using one image for almost 16 17 seconds. So let's calculate 15 seconds. So in 1 minute there will be 4 or 5 images. So for 10 minutes we need almost if it was 5, then 50 images for 10 minutes. So for 30 minutes we need 150 images, and we can make an estimation for one video. So you can see these all are simple animations.
From the air, the country would be vast and beautiful. It seemed like the
It is like pan effect, zoom in effect. You can see the effects. It's a zoom in, zoom out, pan.
serious blow to the head.
Now let me show you one of our output using our workflow.
A float plane engine cuts
See this.
the autumn wind.
Actually, this video is a stock video, not an AI generated. But this story got 90% images, and some scenes only have stock footages where we can get the exact footage.
Two in the afternoon, Monday, October 6, 2003. Pilot expects a routine pickup. Willie Fulton runs an air taxi service out of Kudia. He's here to collect 2 passengers at the end of the season. From the airport, the bear. There's a large brown bear standing over a freshly dug mound killed by the largest predators. It is rapidly deteriorating. Wilderness. As Timothy Treadwell from the drug markets of the California. Precise and unyielding rhythm. Well inserted himself into the most vulnerable spaces. In his published writings and relentless video diaries, he insisted he had successfully his own life, put other park visitors at severe risk by teaching bears that humans were harmless.
You can see there is one stock footage because the workflow actively look for stock footages, and if any scene match the stock footage, it will use it. Otherwise, it will be images. So you can expect a 10% stock footage and 90% images. So this is an output we have created using our workflow. Now let me show you how the workflow is running. I will show you an example of my last execution for this video. So yeah, this is the output I got. You can see it came as almost 82 parts. Let me show you the example. This is the part 1. And the reason I'm taking this as parts, I can export it as a single video, but I'm taking it as parts because I will explain it in later. Now let's see how the workflow is doing. So yeah, basically you have to give your topic in your database. Now I'm not showing that. Once you have searched what topic you need to generate video on, you need to take the topic and give the and start execution. Now it has started already. I already done the script. Now let's see the script workflow. Here you can see this story written as 12 parts in each loop, and it finally combined into one story. You can see the story is almost large enough, which is word count 11,000 words, which will come as like 50 to 1 hour video. So the script is written by this workflow and saved into our database. After that, we have first it will run through this connection, and after that it will run through this video generation workflow. And this is our video generation workflow. Here you can see this section is all about generating voice, which after completing this, if there is 83 voice. As I showed you, we have 83, 82 parts, and you can see here 82 split screens into chunks. So basically, what is each audio will have its own video. So now what happened is the entire script got split into scenes. See, the first scene, it is estimated duration 54 seconds, second duration 1 minute, which is cutting based on the sentence and paragraph cut, not a random cut. So it will cut smartly based on the sentence and or paragraph end. So once it finish making this, it will send this to generate the voiceover. Once it finish all the voiceovers, it will come here, this section, where first it will list all the audios. This is all the audios we have generated now. Now it will calculate the duration for each audios to get the total duration. Then it will make a NCA toolkit render code. After that, what this node is doing is it is merging all the audios inside our S3 bucket, which is 82 audios. It's all merged. Then it's downloaded and it will saved as, you can see in here, voiceover. This is our complete voiceover, which we'll download to CapCut. So you can see here, it is saving into our S3 bucket and sending to assembly AI for transcript. Once we get the transcript, here you can see we got the transcript. See, with each word and its start and end type. So once we get this transcript here in this node, this will merge the transcript and smart cut based on the rules. See here, it's 18, minimum 8 second and maximum 18 second and targeted 12 seconds. So it will count as 12 as an average, and you can change this value. You can change this to 25, 30 second, but I'll prefer this for long form videos. So you can see our first scene will stop here at 0 second to 11.7, which is almost 12 second, and our second scene duration is also 12 second. The third one is also 12 second, and fourth one is 14 second. So this is cutting based on the sentence end and paragraph end, not a random cut. Only it will cut at the full stop unless it's necessary. So we have made each, this is chunk number 2, means voiceover 2, and voiceover 2 got 4 scenes, and this is voiceover 3. So it is organizing all the datas. Even it will take this duration and merge this. Then it will send to the image b-roll or our director workflow. Here you can see this is our director workflow. First of all, what it is doing is it will take the script. We are passing the script also these scenes. So once this agent is doing is it will read the script and see the story we are looking here is about man and bear, grizzly bear. So the main two characters of the story is the man and the grizzly bear. So we need this man's character to be consistent because we are generating image one by one, not as using any reference image. So the man and the bear need to be consistent across the entire video. So what this is, you can see this is a story, small logline and visual world where the event is happening. You can see the visual theme, crisis, Iralo, early 2000 Alaska. To get the image background to be consistent, location lock, render style, these all are generated by this agent. And you can see the main character Timothy Treadwell and his type as human and visual description. And also for all other characters, like there are two, three human characters, and for the beer also. Once it is done, it will send to this agent to write the prompt. Here you can see we are passing the video title, global story, tagline, visual world, and character description. Now you can see here the scene one. You can see scene one, scene two, scene three, scene four. It is passed to this agent, and with this data from the uh, story brief agent, it will write prompts. Let me show you how the first one. You can see context description, a final prompt, a float plane engine cut through the autumn wind. And here you can see a keyword float plane engine plane and type stock motion zoom in estimated era present. So what this motion and type means, let me show you here. This is where it is deciding whether to use AI or stock. Here you can see motion, zoom in, zoom out, static. And type AI image and stock. There's two options, AI image and stock. Actually, it's AI, okay, AI image and stock. What this means is the agent will analyze the scene. If the scene is something that we can get from stock library, it will choose mark it as stock. So once it is done, it will finish this full loop and send the data three. Sorry, this 311 because I locked the prompt. So it will pass to here, and this switch node, it is deciding, it is sending the AI to the first route and stock to the second route. You can see the AI was sent to here and stock sent to here. So now let me show you that. This is our AI workflow. It will start executing for each. If we have, don't look this is wrong data. Total 300 scene. Actually, it's only 120 scenes. So for each execution, it will trigger this workflow each and every time. Let me show you data. And here we got it's generating the image, and let me show you the image. We got this image. Now we will upload this image. After that, there is a video DNA, and this is also one of the important node in this workflow. What the function of this video DNA is, based on the hash value of the project name, we can see the project name. It will locate fixed template to this video. And why this is to avoid YouTube demonetization, because if we use this type of automations, our all of our video will be in same motion, same template, same effect. So YouTube will demonetize that type of video. So what this do is it will create a unique style for each videos based on the project name hash value. We have almost 21 different effects like zoom in, zoom out, pan left, pan right, zoom in plus zoom out, all this kind of 21, 22 different kind of style. So this will pick 5 or 6 effects for one video. So if our video one got selected 5, 6 styles, the next video will select another 6 styles. So there won't be an identical pattern in each videos. If we generate 10 videos, all the 10 videos will have different style of zoom in, maybe zoom out. Maybe some videos may have zoom in, zoom out effect, and the next one won't have the zoom effect. Maybe it has an orbital effect or pan left, pan right effects only. So that's how this video gain is working, and it's also used some graining effect. You can see here it's motion plan, Chavos, and CRF 23. That's the quality. So this will use kind of random effects for entire one video. It will be consistent. So after that, it will render the video. Now let me show you how the output is. You can see it got a zoom in effect. So now the next clip may have zoom out or pan. From the 6 effects, it will rotate the 6 effects, and we have total 22, and one video will have 5 to 6 effects for that video. There is inter video and intra video effects. So that's the function of this video DNA to break the pattern. So once it finished, it will uh, run, send the next clip, and we have sub stoke workflow. So here you can see I already provided this, how to set up this, because this is using my self-hosted server. So you can also host this stock explorer in your Docker. So I have given the files in the course. You can check it out in the description. So you can see here we have taken a keyboard, beer tracks, fog, these two keywords, and it is sent to the stock explorer, and you can see beer tracks. We are taking count as 4 value, and now it's pulling videos and pulling images both in parallel way. And after that, let me show you, these all are the clips. Actually, it's the thumbnail. You can see these 4 it's pulled. Now this agent will analyze these images and decide what to pick. And you can see when it come to the switch node, the score, it was not the clip we are looking for, so it went to the false breach. Now what we'll do is we always giving priority to videos. So if the video is not selected, there is no such matching videos we got, because we only pulled 4. You can put it to 4, 6, 8. Now we are checking the images as fallback. Now it's scoring the images. Final pick, decided not to choose because the image was also not good, nothing that matches our video. So it has sent the fallback to our AI image workflow, which means it has sent the data to here. Now here our AI image sub workflow, which I have showed you just before. So it will generate an AI image and save. Now I will show you one success workflow also. Here you can see it has choose the image over the video. So this was the image it had chosen. Now let's just check one video also. So because of using this video inside your workflow, which which can break the complete AI pattern, because if you are using completely AI visuals and there is no educational value to your content, the monetization risk will get higher. Now, so now you can see here it's, you pick the keyword forensic lab. Now it pulled videos and images. After that, it has scored. It decided to choose the video. Once go to the video, let me show you the video. So this video is chosen. We can't get 100% exact match, but we can get something similar to the scene, because we are only analyzing the thumbnail of the video. We are not analyzing the entire video. So once it's finished, this workflow, once this section is also finished, it will combine each clips separate. Not see, you can see 82 clips. It has run 82 times. So after that, it has saved to our folder, and you can see here in our project folder each parts. Now what I will do is I will select these clips and their clips. I will download, and I will come here voiceover, and I will download this one and import this to CapCut. I'm not showing that now, but I will show you how to. I will make a video on how to edit it in CapCut, and we will add one overlay effect. We'll add some transitions, and we'll add some BGM also. Then export, and I will show you next video how the export setting I'm doing the exact thing. So once it finish, you can upload to your channel. So that's how our workflow is going. So you can check out in the video description where I'm giving this workflow in my Whop store. You can check it out. So see you in the next video.